Welcome to Discover World.
Today Discover World presents ginger for hair loss or hair fall, hair regrowth and dandruff in this video. 1. Ginger for hair fall. The process is pretty simple. Just grill ginger and mix it with plenty of water until you get to a comfortable consistency. Once this is done, spread the mixture on your scalp and hair and leave it for about 1 hour. Doing this regularly will help your scalp to quickly absorb the awesomeness that ginger comes with. You should notice a visible difference in your hair loss in about 6 to 8 weeks of constant use. However, even if hair loss is not an issue, this is an excellent way to take care of your hair and prevent any dryness, breakage, or the bombardment of other curses that might inflict it otherwise. 2. Ginger for hair regrowth. Mix 1 tablespoon of ginger paste with any carrier oil of your choice, olive, almond, coconut oil, etc. After that, spread the mixture properly on your scalp and hair like you would a hair mask, and massage it very well as long as you can to boost blood circulation. Leave it for about 30 minutes and then rinse with your Pantene Pro V Classic Clean 2-in-1 shampoo. 3. Ginger for dandruff. You'll need 2 tablespoons of grinded ginger, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of sesame oil here. Mix 3 of them together and use as a hair mask. Leave it on your hair for about 30 minutes and rinse off with a shampoo. Do this twice per week to see results. Are these strategies simple enough? That's typically all it takes to ensure you retain the stunning locks of your youth throughout your life. If we maintain all rule, then of course we get benefited. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe for my YouTube channel for more videos.